Beginning of part 4, Park and Grove.
It's
Clark and Grove.
significant because now this is a problem here.
Maxwell and Grove. Which one are you looking at? Right over here?
It's the second to the bottom one that's doing all this sagging. It's not our wire, okay?
Okay, so our wire is a straight wire.
Is actually better, okay? We have a lechi. This is a little complicated.
Okay.
Lechi here.
Yeah.
And our wire is the second wire.
Let me get a good shot of that. See that lechi? Okay.
And our wire is the second wire, which is important because it's the one that's actually against the pole. The other one is on some kind of bracket and is not actually on the pole, okay? So ours is the straight one that's not saggy, but it's going to switch to the other side of the pole. When they replace this pole, they completely like reuse the freaking wires, as you can see, this pole. And they
so which wire are you on over here?
We're on the straight one, which is actually
the straight thick wire, which is really
it looks like
the second from the bottom.
But it's really in fact at the end
it's really the bottom of all the taut ones.
Yeah.
Okay.
So here you can see now what looked like it was the second. See how they kind of cross here?
Yeah.
The sagging wire comes over the top.
What do you mean? The taut wire seems. Oh.
See? It goes.
Yeah.
The second one comes up over.
Okay.
And then sags back down.
Yeah.
Below it,
right. Okay.
Now we also have. I'll show you. We have a lechi on this pole on the other side, which is one of the wood ones.
Right.
You want to see it?
A lechi where?
On the other side of this pole, because the wires are on the other side.
Okay, no, that's fine.
They do this thing when they replace this
one second.
pole.
There's a lechi on the other side in front of Bunting and Grove on that pole that I'm showing you right here. Okay, that's fine. But it's the same wire, just crossed over to the other side.
And here again, the bottom wire, they again switch, and here's our lechi. Okay, now we're bottom, solid bottom, and it's very intuitive. And there's a lechi, and it's very intuitive because now the wires are not all messed up. The reason it's important to be on the bottom in this section is because the section of the bottom wire keeps going away from the pole on these brackets every so often, and you can't use it. See here? Here's an example. See how it all of a sudden it's not it's sticking out. So now here we are, still.
And we're on the right side of the poles.
Yeah, we're on the right side.
And we're on the bottom wire, right?
Right, bottom wire.
And it's going straight for a while? Where's your next lechi?
Right. We are going to switch really soon here to tops.
To tops, okay.
And that is going to be here.
What, this pole right here?
Yeah, we're going to switch
okay, in
to
front
tops.
of 4520. Now at 4518, we're on top already.
So we're tops. Okay, here we're tops for a little while.
Starting at 4520, we're on tops. We're on tops going down Grove. 4405. We're on Topster, right? That means top middle. That's what we're talking
after
about.
Malvern.
So then the pole is the lechi. So that's the easiest.
It's the best. That's the grade A number 1 to the top. Okay, now after Malvern, we're going to have to get off the top on the side because of
intersection of Malvern and Grove.
Yeah, so a few poles down here, it's going to switch to side, the bottom. I think the third pole from the corner.
So we're at the tops until which one? The third?
I think the third pole.
The third pole after Grove and Malvern. We're switching from the tops to which one, Drew?
To the bottom.
The bottom. That's a big sagging issue with this one, but okay. You have a lechi there?
Oh, it's not that one. Here's the third.
Oh, okay. Fourth from the intersection.
So here's number 4.
You see the lechi right there?
Yeah, and now we're on the side.
All right. You're on which side?
On the right side.
On the right side. Which one?
Bottom.
Bottom wire.
Right, and here's where it goes. I'm gonna turn right here.
Right onto Hamilton.
Just.
Oh, sorry.
So we can see it.
No, we're just turning around.
Okay, now see where it goes. looks like taco, but
we're using that pole right there, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's where it's gonna make the turn onto Hamilton.
All right, I'll get a better shot of that when you turn around.
We'll come back and
got a perfect shot of your face.
all right.
Okay. On that, where the street sign is, where it says Grove, that's where the Lechi is. And the Lechi that we're using over there.
There's 2 Lechis there.
Is the you have both? You have both there.
Yeah, one is the Lechi for the bottom wire that goes.
Well, side by side. You have a wooden one, a nice thick wooden one, right? That's yours.
Yeah.
And then what's the other one?
The other one is going
to the right or to the left of that?
To the left.
To the left of that wooden one.
Is going to take us to that pole across the street bottom wire.
You see there's a wooden one right there, and to the left, it's going to take you to the bottom wire, the white painted one.
There's another left you need to see on this pole, which is for the bottom one.
Lechi on what pole?
There.
The metal pole?
No. They don't touch the metal pole.
Oh.
That one on that.
Oh, I see. On the edge of the median. On the end of the median.
Right.
You're talking about the Lechi to the left.
Yeah, that's the takeoff.
See that to the left.
For this corner, it makes it kind of a triangle.
Okay.
Now here we have 2 Lechi. There's one here, and there's one
crossing over
there.
Oh, is there anybody behind you?
And then there's one here. Yeah.
Okay. All right, fine. 1 second.